I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. Setting up two-factor authentication 2FA on your Epic Games app is a great way to enhance your account security. Here is how to do it step by step. Step 1. Open the Epic Games launcher. Launch the Epic Games app on your device. If you are not already logged in, enter your credentials to access your account. Step 2. Go to Account Setting. Once logged in, click on your profile name in the bottom left corner and select Account from the menu. This will take you to your account settings. Step 3. Navigate to Password and Security. In Account Settings, find the Password and Security tab on the left side. Click on it to access the security options for your account. Step 4. Enable two-factor authentication. Look for the section labeled Two-factor authentication. You will see options for enabling 2FA via an authenticator app or email. Choose your preferred method and follow the prompts. Note, if you choose the email method, make sure to check your spam folder for the verification email. Step 5. Confirm and save changes. After setting up 2FA, confirm your choice and save the changes. You should receive a confirmation message indicating that 2FA is now active on your account. Now your Epic Games account is much more secure. If you have any questions or run into issues, feel free to reach out. Happy gaming!